Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this garlic powder just like this. You can see how smooth it's looking, so smooth, just like the one they sell at the supermarket. So grab your popcorn and sit while you watch how I make it, okay? So this is the garlic bulb, okay? I just remove it from the bulb now, as you can see. Then I will go ahead to peel off the skin, which after I will cut it in chunks, not like big chunks, little, so that it will dry faster, okay? So I peel all of them, and this is the last one I'm peeling now. Lovely, you can wear gloves to do this if you don't want your hand to be pepperish, okay, to feel hot. So you can see it's all ready now. I have washed it. Then I will go ahead to slice it in small chunks so that it will dry quicker. I'm using the knife to cut it, so you can use the knife to cut it, or you use blender. If you don't have blender, just use your knife to cut it in chunks, just like this, okay? But I'll be using blender. Remember, the aim is not to blend it smoothly, it's just to blend it roughly, okay? Because I can't use knife to cut all of them, it's so big. So using blender makes the work to be easier for me. As you can see, I've just blended it to chunks, okay? So I'll spray it on this tray pan and leave it under the sun to dry. If you have dehydrator, you can use dehydrator or use oven. Just leave oven at the lowest heat and dry it. So I use sun to dry it for 2 days and it's all dry. I now added it inside the blender. I use spatula to remove those that stick on the tray, okay? So I went ahead to blend it. Shout out to all my new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family. To my returning OGs, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the comments, like and share. I so much appreciate it. And if you've watched to this moment, you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost anything. So I've blended the garlic and I use sieve to sieve out the smooth ones, okay? So I'm trying to make sure that it's all well blended and smooth. I transfer it back to the blender to blend it again. So I blend this twice and I use this strainer to sieve it 3 times to make sure that there is no particle left in it, okay? So guys, you can make your own powdered ginger. Sorry, garlic, not ginger. I even made ginger, okay? You can check it out on my channel here. So you can make your own powdered garlic. It will be cheaper for you, just exactly like that of the one they sell at the supermarket. So you can see how smooth it's looking, so smooth. So tell me if you'll be trying it out, okay? Thank you for watching. See you on another video. Bye.